Hi to all, in this video I will show you how to reassemble the carburetor and the tank on the Briggs&Stratton vertical engine 5 horsepower model 130902. This is quite a simple stuff. We have two screws, one screw here and two screws here, and then to fit those two tubes and to reassemble the linkage and to reconnect the stop switch. Okay, at first it's better to reconnect the linkage because it's needed to bend the carburetor a little bit, and so this is more simple if we have this in our hands and not yet screwed on the engine. So the first linkage connected, the second linkage need to be connected here. This is more difficult. Let's see. How to do that. Okay, it's better to keep the carburetor and using two hands. Okay, done. Then we should connect the stop switch, this one here. They just need to be assembled here. Then the two tubes. Okay. Here there is an O-ring, so we need a little bit of press. Okay, and now we should screw the 3 screws on the tank. That's the first. Second. Third here. Now I will screw strongly with the tool, but this in general is the principle.